Protect the paint and also close out the shooters. But when we know that, we got to make them play on the other end, on the offensive glass, getting our bigs touches in the paint, and I think that came through for us.
We've heard so much about Dame time or Lillard time.
Yeah.
But in 2 of the first 3 games here in the NBA.
We're getting set for the second period from Edmonton. Tanner Pearson scores early. Minnesota would answer shorthanded. We got a 1-1 game in game 2.
You've been watching the Lexus Intermission Report.